Welcome to the Prepper Almanac. We thank you for tuning in today and appreciate your support. In today's video, we're traveling to an imaginary universe but very plausible one where all electronics suddenly cease to function, a scenario made possible by an EMP or electromagnetic pulse. It has the capacity to set us back hundreds of years in terms of technology in an instant. Imagine a world devoid of cars, lighting, hospitals as we know them, the internet, cell service, and things like hot water. It's an intimidating concept, isn't it? EMPs can either be a natural phenomenon like a solar flare or man-engineered like a nuclear blast in the atmosphere. Regardless of the origin, the consequences would be identical. Our electronics and electricity-reliant contemporary world would come to a standstill. The gravity of this circumstance is impossible to overstate. Without power, our society would falter. It has been projected that within a year of an EMP incident, 90% of the population would succumb, largely because we are unprepared for a life devoid of electricity. However, it does not have to be this way. As preppers, we can prepare, strategize, and be ready. This is what we're going to discuss today. Items that can assist preppers in surviving and thriving in a post-EMP world. And what items are we referring to? The discussion today will focus on essentials like bicycles for transportation, blankets and warm clothes for warmth, and books for knowledge. It includes self-sufficiency tools like gardening tools and seeds, and survival items like candles, cash, and food. And we cannot neglect personal hygiene items, which are frequently forgotten but incredibly crucial. Being prepared is critical, so let's dive into these items deeper in the video. And if you find value today's video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. We would greatly appreciate it. To ensure you don't miss out on any important information, be sure to watch this video until the end, and share your thoughts about the video in the comment section below. In a world without electricity, transportation and warmth become essential. Imagine this: your car won't start, your phone is dead, and you're miles from the nearest town. This is where a bicycle comes in. Unaffected by an EMP, a bicycle is a reliable, fuel-free mode of transportation that can get you where you need to go. It's efficient, it's silent, and it's easy to repair. In a post-EMP world, having a bicycle could mean the difference between getting help or being stranded. In an EMP disaster, your car won't start, but your bike will. Without electricity, your central heating is out of the question. This is why blankets and warm clothing are so vital. They are, of course, EMP-proof, and they can keep you warm when the temperature drops. High-quality blankets and thermal clothing can trap body heat, keeping you comfortable and reducing the risk of hypothermia. Survival in an EMP disaster requires more than just transportation and warmth. How would you feed your mind and keep your sanity? Books. Yes, books are your answer. They are EMP-proof since the internet will be down, and they can be a treasure trove of knowledge. They can provide entertainment, teach essential skills, and offer a comforting sense of normalcy in a chaotic world. And let's not forget, maps and guidebooks could be invaluable for navigation and survival techniques. Now picture this: it's a dark and still night. All the streetlights are out and it's pitch black. What do you need? Candles. They are simple, reliable, and immune to EMP. They can provide light, warmth, and even be used for cooking. In a post-EMP world, protection is paramount. That's where bullets and guns come in. They are EMP-proof and can be a vital tool for self-defense. In a lawless world, they could mean the difference between life and death. But let's not forget that trade will still exist. Cash will be king. Paper money and coins are EMP-proof and will be a crucial medium of exchange. Stockpiling a reasonable amount of cash could be a lifeline in the initial aftermath of an EMP. And of course, we can't overlook the essential need for food. This is obvious, and we discuss this deeper in other videos on the channel. But stockpiling non-perishable food items is a must. Canned goods, dry foods, and preserved meats are all EMP-proof. They can provide the necessary calories and nutrition to keep you and your family alive and well. In the wake of an EMP, being able to provide for yourself becomes paramount. Let's consider a few essentials that are not only EMP-proof but integral to your self-sufficiency. First off, gardening tools and seeds. With these, you can cultivate your own food source, ensuring a steady supply of nutrition, even when supermarkets are no longer an option. Next, lighters. Starting a fire not only provides heat, but it's also a way to cook food and sterilize water. Lighters are small, portable, and unaffected by an EMP. A manual can opener is another simple tool that becomes invaluable in a world without electricity. It enables you to access preserved food in cans, a likely staple of your survival pantry. Lastly, painkillers. Without immediate access to medical facilities, managing pain and discomfort becomes crucial. Over-the-counter painkillers are safe, effective, and easy to stockpile. With these items, you can grow your own food, start a fire, open canned goods, and manage pain. Maintaining personal hygiene and generating power are also key to survival in an EMP disaster. Personal hygiene items are a must. Cleanliness can prevent infections and disease. Solar panels, while unable to power your entire home, can generate enough energy for essential items. A stove, especially a wood-burning one, provides heat and a cooking surface. Toilet paper, often overlooked, is a basic necessity that can also double as tinder for fires. Tools from simple screwdrivers to complex multi-tools can aid in repairs and construction. Trash bags are versatile, serving as waste disposal, water collection, and even temporary shelter. Water, of course, is crucial for hydration, cooking, and cleaning. A whistle can signal for help or warn others of danger. Lastly, a wind-up clock keeps track of time without relying on electricity. With these items, you will be better equipped to survive an EMP disaster. The threat of an EMP disaster is real and preparation is essential. The magnitude of an EMP disaster can be hard to grasp. It's not just about the lights going out, it's about our entire way of life being upended. Every item we discussed, from bicycles to wind-up clocks, plays a vital role in surviving such a catastrophe. A bicycle could become your primary mode of transportation, while blankets and warm clothes could mean the difference between life and death in a world without heating. Bullets and guns for protection, candles for light, cash for trading, food for sustenance, and tools for building and repairing, not to mention the importance of personal hygiene items and the power provided by solar panels. These EMP-proof items are not just stockpile essentials, they are your lifeline in a post-EMP world. They are your tools for self-sufficiency, your means of survival. Remember, an EMP disaster could happen at any time, and these EMP-proof items could be your lifeline. As we wrap up today's video, we'd like to open up the floor for discussion. If you have any questions about the topics we've covered, or if there are any subjects you'd like us to delve into in future videos, please let us know in the comment section below. We love getting video ideas from our community and hearing what you have to say about our content. It's your input that helps us keep improving and expanding our range of topics. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found today's video useful, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all things prepping. Sharing our videos with others who might be interested in prepping or just curious about it is another great way to support us and spread the knowledge. Lastly, based on YouTube's algorithm and your viewing history, YouTube is recommending a video for you in the top left-hand area of your screen. We encourage you to check it out next. Thank you for tuning in to the Prepper Almanac. We appreciate your time and your passion for preparedness. Enjoy your day and remember, stay prepared, stay safe.